Is your TikTok live button missing? Here's exactly how to fix it fast. First, a quick reality check. To go live on TikTok, you must be at least 18 years old and have at least 1,000 followers. If you haven't hit those milestones yet, that's why the button is hidden. But what if you do meet the requirement and it's still missing? Let's fix it. Go to your profile. Tap on the 3 line in the top corner. Now select on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to free up space. Find your cache and tap clear. Once that's done, force close the TikTok app completely and now reopen it. Tap the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Your live option should now be sitting right next to templates. Still not showing? TikTok officially recommends logging into your account on a completely different device to see if that triggers update. I hope this helps and I'll see you in the next one.